Hey guys, welcome back to another downgrade video. Today we're going to downgrade the PS4 from 12.52 to 9.00. So first, make sure your PS4 is connected to the internet and check your PS4 version. Now, on your PC or laptop, go to the PS4 downgrade host. Once you're there, you'll need to enable the bin loader on your PS4, so go ahead and do that. After that, head back to your PC, click on the downgrade host option, and it will take you to the Camelin host. There you'll see an option that says PS4 downgrade 12.52 to 9.00. Click on it, and then you'll need to enter your PS4 IP address and DNS address to connect. Once that's set, just click on the Start Downgrade option. When you're on the downgrade screen, it'll say click on Start to downgrade the PS4. So click on it and wait for the process to complete. Once it's done, restart your PS4. And now let's check the firmware. As you can see, the PS4 has successfully downgraded. Now let's go ahead and jailbreak it. And yes, the PS4 is successfully jailbroken. Let's test out some games. And as you can see, everything is running perfectly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more awesome content.
Fighting ground. One-on-one. Metro City downtown.
I'm tired of playing the sidelines. Gotta make my own highlights. It's time to heat up for the fight of my life. Show 'em what I got, cause you know that it's my time.
All right, let's get it.
Let's dance. Got me feeling like I could fuck them all. Started from the bottom and I'll never look back.